So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add drop shadow to text here on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, what I want you to do, go to the top, press on text, and I will type in drop shadow just like that. I will then also make this a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So once you have the text you want to add drop shadow to, press on the text right here. Go to the top left here where it says style right beside text and press on that. Then where it says shadow right here, I want you to press on drop shadow just like this. Now with drop shadow, you can go ahead here and change the color to whatever you want. You can also change the blur, making it more prevalent or less prevalent, just like that. You can change the offset as well. You can also change the opacity if you want to make it less or more. And if you can, last but not least, you can change the angle and add the drop shadow to whatever you're looking to add it to. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add drop shadow to text here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.